guys, ako na sad. So, among religion, among recognition na tawa. Tawa ka princess with honors. Bless and Jemars. Bless and Jemars. Og lara mga uban buwag guys. So, dili ko cheaper, pero at least makakuha ko ribbon. Awa guys. Nagising. Nagising isa. Iba nasa.
Savior,
Kisihan
we honor best in English,
Kisinan niya
best
silo.
in Muppet, best in EP, conduct awarding with cooperative parent.
Guys, pag-subscribe na niya o pag-like, comment, o subscribe.
Conduct awarding.
Kaya na daw si Princess
Venom
na
P.
ni
Money, conduct awarding. Aaron J. Fernandez, with honors, best in Filipino, best in art, artist of the year, BSP Comfort, and conduct awarding with cooperative parent. Emma Nazarski Guerra, best in attendance, conduct awarding with cooperative parent. Ian Peter and Sugar, conduct awarding with cooperative parent. Prince Justin G. Hugo, with honors, best in math, best in geography, best in Arabic Panlipunan, best in attendance, service awarding,
Ikaw ba? Ako, ikaw po. Complete ako sa bahay. So, bye-bye.